Sweet sip. Warm up with an apple cider. You'll need 4 cups of apple juice, 1 tablespoon of cloves or clove powder, 2 cinnamon sticks or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and orange slices. Step 1. Put all the ingredients in a saucepan. Step 2. Ask a grown-up to simmer the mixture on medium heat for 1 hour. Let it sit until it is cool enough to drink. Step 3. Pour the mixture into mugs. Use a strainer to remove the cloves and anything else you don't want. Bonus! Top with whipped cream and cinnamon. Yum!